Empower your team and streamline your website's operations by mastering the art of assigning administrative privileges on your Real Geeks platform. The first crucial step to managing administrative access is to ensure you are logged into your Real Geeks website with existing administrative credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the primary navigation menu, typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Within this menu, locate and click on the section dedicated to user management, often labeled as Users, Team, or Access Control. This page will display a list of all current users associated with your Real Geeks website here. You'll see existing user roles and the permissions they currently hold. To grant new administrative privileges, you'll need to add a new user or invite an existing colleague. Look for a prominent button labeled Add New User, Invite User, or a similar phrasing. Clicking this option will open a form. You'll be prompted to enter the new user's essential details, such as their full name and email address. The most critical part of this form is the role selection from the drop-down menu. Carefully choose the Administrator role. This grants the highest level of access and allows the user to manage all aspects of your Real Geeks website. Review the entered information for accuracy, and then click the Save or Send Invite button to finalize the process. The new administrator will typically receive an email with instructions on how to set up their login. As you can see, the new user now appears in your list with their assigned administrative functions, ready to contribute to your website's success. Remember, assigning administrative roles is a significant security measure. Always ensure you are granting these privileges only to trusted individuals who understand the importance of website maintenance and optimization. By following these steps, you can effectively manage administrative access, ensuring your Real Geeks website remains robust, secure, and performing at its best.